Ooh. Dum, dum. Oh. Yeah, boy. Sneakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back. I'm back again today with another Golden Child reaction for you guys. Golden Child are back, and that means so am I. Apologies, it's taken me quite a while to get back around to them, but I'm here now, do not worry. I did actually react to them not that long ago. Well, actually, that was probably a while ago. I had some King Cobra requests for Golden Child, so if you missed those, if you actually go on to my King Cobra playlist on my channel, you might be able to find the video on there. Or I can't remember if it might have got blocked on YouTube, so it might be available on Patreon for free. Anywho, so today I'm going to be doing a reaction to the new MV, and I'm also going to be doing an album first listen. Yay! The album first listen is going to be split into two parts, and part one is going to be included with the MV reaction. So in this video, I'll be reacting to the Replay MV, and then the first two title tracks, Aura and Knocking on My Door. Part two of the album first listen will be up straight after this, and yeah, I'm super excited. Let's just go. Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time. Okay, let's go. Golden Child, the Replay MV. Let's go. Ooh, dun. Love this buzz. Dun. Ooh. Ooh, dun, dun, dun. I love all those great synths. Okay, it's kind of, it's aggressive but groovy at the same time. Ooh, the harmony. That's really nice. Ooh, the piano as well. That piano is giving it a housey vibe. Love all these electronic sounds. Ooh, love that shoulder move as well. Hey! Rewind. Hey! Yeah. Ooh. The hair's in my mouth. Oh, love that one chord. I love that. Yeah. I love that. That silent phone. Woo! These braids. Woo! that part is insane. Love the rocket element. Woo! The riffs and the runs in this. Okay, I love that. First of all, let me talk about the instrumental itself. I loved it. I feel like Goldenchild in general, they either give us like pretty aggressive songs or funky songs, and I feel like this one was a perfect fusion of both sort of vibes. It was funky but also gritty at the same time. Do you know what I mean? It reminded me of, it didn't sound like it. It didn't sound like it, but the fusion reminded me of something like NCT 127's Superhuman, where you have all these sort of gritty electronic-y sounds. Sometimes I like to call them like the Daft Punk sounds, like all the that's my example of the sounds, guys. I'm sorry. Don't know technical stuff, okay? But those sort of sounds. But it was also a little bit funky as well, especially in the chorus. Like when the chorus first hits, the instrumentation itself was gritty, but the vibe was funky. Does that make sense? Also, I love the pre-chorus. You had those really nice chords with the synth, but also I think I could hear like piano within the chords as well. And that part, because of the piano-y chords, it was giving me a little bit of house elements. I just love that pre-chorus a lot. I love the melodies all throughout this. There were some really nice riffs and runs and moments. I pointed out as many as I could. That's why I'm always repeating stuff, because when I hear something I like, I just repeat it so that I don't have to pause, so that I don't forget, and just so that you notice it and that you know that I have also noticed it. So I tried to copy as many parts that I really liked as possible, but there were some really nice little quirky moments, especially within the ad-libs, and just how they were ending certain lines with like runs and stuff. I don't know, I just felt like it was very creative. I really enjoyed it. I loved as well the little rocky sort of breakdown moment, the little instrumental moment. That was really cool. I feel like every single group right now is putting rocky elements within their songs, because it's just the trend right now. I say this all the time, but what I'm looking for is when a group sort of sets themselves apart from the rest and adds the rocky element in, but still makes it like their own. And they did that, which I'm really glad for. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. The choreo, there were some cool moments. I didn't notice too much because I was distracted. Also the visuals were nice. I didn't notice too much again. I feel like I was a little bit distracted by the song. Also, there wasn't anything mind-blowing. I didn't notice anything storyline based, even though I don't really follow that. But yeah, I loved that. I enjoyed it. Let's go on to the first two B-sides. Okay, let's go. So the first track, Aura, which is the title of the album, was only 1 minute long, so I'm assuming this is like the little intro track. Let's go. Ooh, whoa. Ooh. Ooh. What? These sounds, dude. Wow. All these sounds. Whoa! Oh! Boom, boom. You hear that bass in the back? Whoa! Woo. Oh my god, that was absolutely stunning. It was so cinematic. There were so many little intricate sounds, little synths, all the layers, voice manipulation. There were sounds I couldn't quite work out. It was just, it was stunning. Also, I really liked the bass in that. The bass in that was very standout. It was stunning. I loved that. Let's go on to the next B-side, which is Knocking on My Door. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, this is so pretty. That progression. That melody. I'm gonna die. Oh, do it again. Again. Oh, I love it so much. Oh. Vocals. Yeah. This is so pretty. Who wrote this? Oh! Oh, these melodies. These melodies. Wow! I've got goosebumps. The ad-libs. One absolutely beautiful song. That was so beautiful. That gave me goosebumps. What a stunning song. I need to check who produced that and who wrote that. Because those melodies, it was just one after the other. Like it was one melody after the other. It was so pretty. And just the sounds, the synths. Oh my god, it was giving me summer vibes, but maybe like end of summer. It made me feel like nostalgic, but not because the song was giving me nostalgia. The sound of the song is what I mean, wasn't giving me nostalgia. It was just the feeling the song was giving me. Maybe almost, it was a bright sounding song, but something about it almost made me feel a little bit sad. You know when something is so pretty and so beautiful, it just makes you feel like, oh my god, just a little bit lost. That was so pretty. I honestly don't know what to say. Also, vocals? Is it me or are there extra vocals this time around? Maybe I'm just noticing the vocals more. I don't know, but they're like the ad-libs, the high notes, the riffs and the runs. Absolutely impeccable. I love that. I love that a lot. That was stunning. That's the end of part 1, guys. I will see you for part 2 straight after this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Go and follow me on Instagram, guys. Go and follow me on Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.
어.